If you've made it this far, congratulations. So proud of you. We've covered so many things on MySQL, on data analysis, why is it important, how to write SQL codes, and more. So let's go ahead and summarize everything we talked about. What have we learned today? First thing we learned was SQL foundations. What is SQL? Why is it important? Creating and managing tables, the different data types, modifying data. Then we went ahead and read data within tables. So how do you filter data? How do you sort data from ascending to descending and vice versa? How do you use functions for deeper insights? We wrote some advanced functions like the joins, the inner joins, the right and left joins, the unions, and some nested queries. We went ahead and did some grouping, and then we did some control flow and logic. We use case statements to see how if something is a specific way, you can return the values in a specific way. And finally, we ended with business intelligence. So business intelligence, you export SQL data into other software to represent them in a specific manner. So it can be like a Excel, it can be a Tableau, or a different platforms for trends, visualization trends, data-driven decisions, and more. So data is one of the most valuable assets in an industry. All companies use data. Think about it. Every company has data they need to store, they need to process, they need to use. So you need to find a way to be able to handle that data. SQL allows you to manage data, right? Allows you to store, to retrieve, to manipulate structured data. And business intelligence tools like Excel and Tableau help you transform raw data into meaningful insights for decision making. So you take that raw data and you try to make sense out of it. So many things you can do with SQL and Tableau and Excel and more. Companies need those professionals who can turn data into actionable insights. So not just storing it, but what can you tell me based on this table? What do I need to know? So practice consistently. The best way to learn SQL is by practice. We can tell you everything, but if you don't practice, so practice, practice, practice. Try to work on real world projects. Use publicly available data sets online. Work on real life projects to solve problems. Explore advanced topics, performance tuning, data warehousing, predictive analysis, and stay updated. Like SQL and business intelligence tools evolve, so continuously learning is essential. Thank you for your attention, and please don't forget to follow us on the different social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Subscribe below, LinkedIn. Website is cybermuk.com, and email us at info@cybermuk.com. Thank you for your attention. I'll give the floor to Whitney.
How'd it go? Well, I hope you learned something new. Make sure to follow us on all our social media, and more importantly, make sure to check out our website at cybermuk.com and order the flashcards that will help you study and retain the material even easier. Check us out on our next course. Can't wait to see you there.